Welcome to video class of foundation course. Today we will discuss the inequation and solution of the inequations. Now we'll start. What is equation and what is inequation, and what is the basic difference between equation and inequation. Equation heading equation and inequation. The expression, first write equation. Equation the expression contains equal to sign between left hand side and right hand side is called an equation. That is, the expression contains equal to sign between left hand side and right hand side is called an equation. For example, x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Number 2, x square plus x is equal to 2x plus 5, etc. Now I will discuss what is inequation. Inequation means the expression which contains less than or less than equal to or greater than equal to sign is called an inequation. Example 2x square plus x greater than 1, 3x square minus 1 less than equal to 0, 3x plus 4 greater than equal to 0, etc. So what is the difference between the equation and equation? In equation contains only equal sign, but inequation contains greater than or greater than equal to, less than or less than equal to sign. It is the basic difference between the equation and inequation. Degree of the equation or inequation. Degree of equation or inequation. The sum of highest power of a term of the equation or inequation is called its degree. For example, what is the degree of the following Number 1, x to the power 5 3a square minus 1 less than equal to 0. This is inequation. Highest power of the variable. Here what is the definition? The sum of highest power of a term of the equation or inequation is called its degree. What is the highest power of this term? 5. Here power 1, highest power here 5. Here degree is 5. Number 2, second bit, x square y square plus s cube y7 is equal to 1. This is equation. And what is the degree of the equation? Here sum of the highest power. Mark this. Here sum of the powers 4. Sum of powers is equal to 4. Here sum of the powers is 10. So highest is 10. So degree is 10. ये देखो आप देखो ये सम कंटेनर ये गोटे वेरिएबल तो 5 वाला हाईएस्ट ये दीटा वेरिएबल अच्छी इनटू थी दीटा को पावर ऐड करिवो जे अधिक होबो सेटा ही डिग्री होता है sum inequation and their names. Number 1, linear inequation. If the degree of inequation is 1, then it is called linear inequation. Example, 3x plus 4 less than equal to 0. This is linear equation, linear inequation of single variable. Single variable कौन पाई ना गोटे वेरिएबल अच्छी अननोन वेरिएबल गोटे अच्छी x तो आपको सिंगल वेरिएबल. नंबर 2 3x plus 4y greater than or equal to 0. This is also linear inequation, but it कौन अच्छी दीटा वेरिएबल अच्छी तो आप कौन कहबा linear equation, linear inequation of double variable or two variables. Number 2 quadratic inequation. If the degree of the inequation is 2, then it is called quadratic inequation. Example 3x square plus 4x minus 1 less than equal to 0, x square greater than equal to 5. These are linear, these are quadratic in one variable. These are quadratic inequation of single variable. Third example, x square plus y square minus 1 greater than equal to 0. This is quadratic inequation of two variable. Quadratic inequation of two variable. Cubic inequation. If the degree of the inequation is 3, it is called cubic inequation. Example x cube less than equal to 5. Then biquadratic or quantic. If degree of inequation is 4, then it is called biquadratic. Example x4 plus x square less than equal to 0, etc. Inequations. I will discuss again one by one what is the basic difference between equation and inequation. In equation, expression contains only equal sign, but any question, in any question the expression contains less than equal to or greater than equal to sign are called any questions. Thank you.